Okay, hello, this is day 16. Nearly in the double digits. Double. But yeah, going well. So we are at, give me a second, 945 steps. So not a lot, but we'll make up for it. We're early, you know. It is like 10:04 in the morning. So we're gonna go walk around, see how things are. So it's not raining today. The ground is absolutely soggy, but I got my boots on, so it's fine. And I don't mind getting muddy. It's funny as well, like when you're walking with your parents and stuff, like they're like, oh, why are you walking in the puddles? I'm like, I have boots on, like thick hiking boots. Water's not gonna come through that. There's a lot of things that parents do, like you just look at them like, are you good? Like, do you need assistance? But yeah, let's see how today goes. Because yesterday was a mix of up and down stairs, mix of walking to feed the cats and then actually going to go outside. Because I do prefer just get the whole 10k done in one, and then that leaves me to go edit a video and things like this, which is nice, which is a nice little routine I've got into. It's going to be weird, and I've done my 28 days. I don't know if I'm going to continue this. I might. Like, not as many days, but get out more. But here we are. But as always, I'll see you at 5k. Okay, cool. So we are now 5,127. So not bad. For some reason it's taken longer. It's now 10:40. So I'm like, have I just got slow? But yeah, it's going well. I saw a robin pretty close to me. It was like over there. And it was probably chirping away, and I've got a recording of it. not on this, but on my phone. So the next thing after this, you'll see a robin. It's a bird. Just chirping away, mind his own business. And I was like, that's pretty cool. You don't really see robins because they always fly away. So not bad, not bad. I don't have to take the lap I just took again because it's less steps today. Normally when I do that route, I'm already at 6.5k, but I'm a k less today. But I'd be fine. I'll just walk again. It's not like I got nothing else to do today, so that'd be all good. But I'll catch you when I'm 10k. All right. Oh, trees have fell. Right, okay. Steps are done. We're at 10,630. Done, and it's 11:36, so hour and 30 minutes, technically. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. But yeah, that's day 16 done and done. I can now go have some more coffee, because coffee. And yeah, I'm out of frame, shit. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching. Please enjoy, because my legs are killing me. So until tomorrow, the 17th. Catch you then.